Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna do unboxing. But before that, to those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the notification bell for you to be updated on my upcoming vlogs or upcoming videos. So what I've got here, let's open it. So this is a custom fridge beats, and let's open it. I'm so excited for this. And this is a customized fridge magnet or fridge beats. So this is customized. As you can see, it's my picture, my husband and me, and it has a music. So it has a music. So the one I got here is a classic design, and it costs $19.95. But if you want to go for the pro design, it costs $25.95. So this one is so cute. I choose the design, and I choose also the music that you will put on. But if you have music collection, you can do that too. And they also have you can choose their music in the website. And this is what I got, and it's so cute. I don't know how. So this how it's the size of this is like that. And it's square, but it's so cute, guys. Look at that. And it has Type-C charger. You wanna hear the music? So that's the music. Features. Now it's very customized, and you can choose a lot of design. You can make your own. And here's mine. I will put this on the fridge. Okay, let's do this. It's perfect. It's there, guys.
I found the love.
Oh, that's so nice. Isn't it cute? Right? It's very cute and very customizable. Perfect for Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, anniversary gifts, wedding gifts, any occasion. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next Vlogmas. Bye!